In this video, we will discuss how to use automation with forms in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to create or edit a form. You can do so by going over to the marketing and clicking onto the forms option. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the forms editor or create. So as you have noticed, I've already have some forms available. You can also create a new one by clicking on this create form, or you can already edit an existing form. On my case, let's choose right here this contact form and proceed to click onto this edit. Now, onto this case, you just need to access the form automation settings. This is that settings that we're talking about. Just proceed to click on this, and after that, this will open the automation. So with this, you can automate what happens after a form is submitted onto this particular form. So for this case, click on this create this workflow. Then after that, you can either add a new simple workflow or add right here what you want to do after it's been submitted. So this will be the trigger. And then after that, you can add right here what you want added. I want to actually send an email once someone has actually submitted a form with this. So I have here this one, but if you want, you can also add a new one if you want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't subscribed or if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.